With regards to dental treatments, the dental crown is one of the most frequently used treatments carried out by dentists. The dental crown is the cap which is put over an injured or decayed tooth to repair its size, shape, and strength. They also enhance the appearance of the tooth. But how much do dental crowns cost? Cost of dental crowns may vary according to a number of elements, such as the materials that is used, the area of the dental clinic, and the knowledge provided by the dentist. For instance, in the United States, the cost for a crown made of dental material can be anywhere between $500 and $3,000 per crown. This huge range of costs is because there are many different varieties of dental crowns on the market that each have their particular price range. One of the most common types of dental crowns is a porcelain fused to metal crown. The crown's made of an amalgamation of both metal and porcelain that makes them durable as well as pleasing to the eye. The cost of a porcelain fused to metal crown can range from $500 to $1,500 per crown. While they are less expensive than other varieties of crowns, however, they are not as long-lasting and might have to be replaced more often. A more popular kind of crown for the dental patient is the all-ceramic crown. The crowns are exclusively of ceramic that gives them an appealing and natural look compared to the other kinds of crowns. They are also biocompatible and are the best choice for people suffering from allergies to metals. The price of an all-ceramic dental crown ranges between $800 to $3,000 per crown, which makes it one of the more expensive choices available. Apart from the form of material utilized, area of the dental practice may also influence the cost of crowns used in dentistry. Dental practices in major cities or affluent neighborhoods may charge higher prices for dental crowns due to higher overhead costs. Contrarily, the rural and less prosperous locations may be able to afford lower cost of dental crowns. The expertise of the dentist may influence the cost that dental crowns cost. Dentists with knowledge or training in specialized areas may have higher costs on dental crowns than dentists that are not as experienced. It is nevertheless vital to consider that the knowledge and experience from the dental professional is vital for ensuring the effectiveness and long-term durability of the crown. In the end, the price of dental crowns will be quite different based on the kind of material employed, the place of the dental clinic, and the knowledge provided by the dentist. Although crowns for your teeth may appear expensive, they're actually beneficial to your appearance and oral health. You should consult with your dentist regarding which type of crown is best that meets your particular needs and budget. Keep in mind that taking good care of your oral health today can help avoid more costly and expensive procedure in the coming years.